Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate FaceTime on your iPhone. So open up the settings on your iPhone. Now you can use the search bar at the top and type FaceTime just like this, and you will see FaceTime here. Now you need to tap on the FaceTime. Now in the middle you can see FaceTime right now is turned on in my phone. So if it is turned on in your phone, then you can simply drag it to the right side in order to turn it on. Okay, and you can see few more options here for notifications, incoming calls, announce calls. Okay, then there will be your IDs, phone number and your ID. Then share name and photo is turned off, you can simply turn it on. Then there are some automatic preferences, FaceTime live photos, eye contact. Okay, so many things are here, blocked contacts. Okay, so once you turn it on, then you can use the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Now you can see it is right there at the in the first row, first one. Okay, so if I open it here, now you can create a link and you can simply click on new FaceTime. Okay, and you need to put in the ID. So if I click on new FaceTime here, then you need to select the person whom which you want to contact. Okay, so this is how you can activate and use the FaceTime on your iPhone. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.